ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः इत्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधिः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसम्भृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Moksha is siddha, and that moksha is Brahma, that is my Swarupa. Once this is known, then who will put forth effort, who will desire to do any kriya in the form of manasik kriya upasana, prasankhyanam. If someone does, he is a mudhatma and he is rejecting Shastra. Udghatayati Shastram means Utsadayati. This is what we saw in 209th shloka. Now, 210, page number 315. Mudhatmatvam prakatayati. What is the Mudhatmatvam? Nahi siddhasya kartavyam sakaryasya na siddhata ubhayalambanam kurvan atmanam vanchayatyapi नहि सिद्धस्य कर्तव्यं सकार्यस्य न सिद्धता भयालंबनं कुर्वन् आत्मानं वंचयत्यपि. Acharya says a siddha vastu doesn't have any kartavya, and sakarya vastu karyena saha vartate iti sakaryam, that vastu doesn't have siddhata. So they both are opposed to each other. If somebody says I have to have both, karma also, and it is siddha vastu also. Ubhayalambanam, yugapat, you have to understand. Simultaneously, if somebody has alambanam of both, then that person atmanam api vanchati, vanchayati, vanchayati api. Means he is deluding himself. So, on one hand, if I say I am Brahma, I have understood, and then I say I have to do something, that is not correct. If you say I have not understood I am Brahma, and I am doing Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam, then these are performed for gaining knowledge. Shravanadi. But it is only for Jnanam. It is not for some kind of upasana. Nanu kimiti अस्मान् निंदथ अस्मद अभिप्रायम अज्ञात्वा एव इति पूर्ववादी स्वाभिप्रायम आविष्करोति. पूर्व पक्ष says, why are you criticizing us? किमिति अस्मान निंदथ. निंदथ निधि कुत्सायाम धातु लट लकार मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन. Kutsita artha means it in a negative way. Without knowing our abhiprayam, asmad abhiprayam ajnatva eva nindatha kasmat. So Purvavadi, now he says swabhiprayam. He reveals his standpoint. So 2, 11, 12, 13. 3 shlokas are Purvapaksha shlokas. सिद्धो मोक्षस्त्वमित्येतद् वस्तुमात्रं प्रदर्श्यते श्रोतुस्तथात्वविज्ञाने प्रवृत्तिः स्यात् कथं त्विति. सिद्धो मोक्षस्त्वमित्येतद् वस्तुमात्रं प्रदर्श्यते श्रोतुस्तथात्वविज्ञाने प्रवृत्तिः स्यात् कथं त्विति. मोक्षः त्वं सिद्धः इति एतद् वस्तुमात्रं प्रदर्श्यते. पूर्वपक्ष says this it is saying only as vastumatra, means it is just a statement. श्रोतुः तथात्व विज्ञाने तु कथं प्रवृत्तिः स्यात् इति. He says this moksha, mokshah tvam siddhah. Means you are siddha brahma, moksha swarupa. By saying this, all they are saying is vastu matra. But the pravritti of the Shrota is not going to happen if you just say something. This is how generally all Mimamsaka Mata they say. That if you say something which is only a fact, how will there be pravritti? Like they say, Gam Anaya, Gam Vadhana, Ghatam Anaya. So then there is some thing to be done. That is how knowledge takes place. If you say, Astyuttara Dishi Dishayam Himalayo Nam Nagadhiraja. Astyuttarasyam Dishi Dishayam. In north, there is Himalaya mountain. So what? There is no pravritti. It is vastu matra kathana. He says, if a person has to get engaged in Shravanadi you have to give some injunction. And therefore, न तत्वे पर्यवसितम, this वाक्य. See टीका. मुमुक्षोः आत्मविज्ञाने प्रवृत्त्यर्थम सिद्ध ब्रह्म रूपो मोक्षस्त्वमसि इति वस्तु मात्र कथन परम इदम वाक्य न तत्वे पर्यवसितम इत्यर्थः. For a मुमुक्षु आत्मविज्ञाने प्रवृत्ति, for a मुमुक्षु to get engaged in atmavijnana, siddha brahma rupo mokshastvam-asi, you are moksha rupa siddha brahma. This is vastu matra kathana param vakya. Na tatve paryavasitam, but its paryavasanam is not in you actually are this. Means right now you are not this. You have to do something to get it. This is what Purva Pakshi wants to suggest. And he clarifies now. Uktameva vivrunoti. Karta dukhyaham-asmiti pratyakshena anubhuyate. Karta dukhi cha ma bhuvam iti yatno bhavet tatah. Karta dukhyaham-asmiti pratyakshena anubhuyate. Karta dukhi cha ma bhuvam iti yatno bhavet tatah. Purvapakshi continues, he says, because our pratyaksha anubhava is karta dukhi aham asmi iti pratyakshena anubhuyate. Karta dukhi cha ma bhuvam iti tatah yatno bhavet. I am karta, I am dukhi. This kind of pratyaksha anubhava I have. But what I want is, I am not karta, I am not dukhi. For this jnanam yatno bhavet. Ma and bhuvam, they should be separate pada. Then it will become abhuvam. In which lakara?
Lung.
Lung.
Lung lakara. It will be abhuvam, but we write it as bhuvam. Ma bhuvam. What is the sutra?
Mangi lung.
Mangi lung. Karta dukhi, may I not be karta, may I not be dukhi. For that I have to work. So even when Shastra says you are Brahma, I am still experiencing that I am karta, I am dukhi. Therefore, I have to do some things. Not only that, Vakya Shravananantaram Mantavya iti Shrutya Kartavya Vidhanat api evam abhyupeyam ityaha. After Mahavakya Shravanam also, Mantavya, Nididhyasitavya, such injunctions are there. So, iti Shrutya Kartavya Vidhanat. So, after Shravanam, there is Kartavyam. api evam eva abhyupeyam. Therefore also it should be understood in this way only. The way we are saying, you have to do some prasankhyanam. You have not understood what we are saying, and then you go on criticizing us. Tadvijnanaya yuktyadi kartavyam shrutirabravit कर्तृत्वाद्यनुवादेन सिद्धत्वानुभवायतु तद्विज्ञानाय युक्त्यादि कर्तव्यं श्रुतिरब्रवीत् कर्तृत्वाद्यनुवादेन सिद्धत्वानुभवायतु तद्विज्ञानाय श्रुति ही युक्त्यादि कर्तव्यम अब्रवीत् कर्तृत्वादि अनुवादेन तु सिद्धत्व अनुभवाय श्रुति ही अब्रवीत् कर्तव्यम अब्रवीत्. So for the knowledge of that Brahma Vastu, Kartritvadi is Anuvada. Kartritva, that I am Karta. So Shruti says, yes, you are Karta. This is Purva Paksha Shloka. Kartritvadi Anuvadena. Siddhatva Anubhavaya, for the experience of Siddha Brahma. Siddhatva Anubhavaya tu. Shruti hi yuktyadi kartavyam abravit. Shruti says you have to do yukti, means mananam, nididhyasanam, etc. Which means after jnanam you have to do something. Vedanti will say not after jnanam. If you did not understand, then you have to remove the pratibandha. If jnanam has taken place, then nothing needs to be done. Tvam iti kartrutvam anudya वस्तुगत्या त्वं सिद्ध मोक्ष ब्रह्म रूपो असि अतस् तज्ज्ञानाय यतस्व इति वाक्य तात्पर्यम् इत्यर्थः. त्वम् इति कर्तृत्वम् अनुद्य, त्वं कर्ता, that Shruti does anuvada. Then वस्तुगत्या त्वं सिद्ध मोक्ष ब्रह्म रूपो असि. In reality, you are Siddha Moksha Brahma. Therefore, for its knowledge, Yatasva. This is the Vakya Tatparyam. This is the Mahavakya Tatparyam according to Prasankhyanam. According to Siddhanta, you are Brahma. Over. There is no yatasva. Therefore you do this, therefore you do that. There is no such thing. So up to this is Purva Paksha. Now Siddhanti shows what is the defect in this. Siddhanti says if you have gained the knowledge from the Vakyartha, then you don't have to do any other thing thereafter. If you have not understood, then you have to do. So, Neyam Kalpana Shruti Anusarini iti Siddhanti Dushayati. Siddhanti shows defects in this Kalpana, which is not according to Shruti. Nirdukho Nishkriyo Kamaha Siddho Moksho Hamityapi गृहीत्वैव विरुद्धार्थ मादध्यात् कथमेव सः निर्दुःखो निष्क्रियो कामः सिद्धो मोक्षोऽहमित्यपि गृहीत्वैव विरुद्धार्थ मादध्यात् कथमेव सः अहम निर्दुःखो निष्क्रियो अकामः सिद्धो मोक्षः इति गृहीत्वा अपि सः कथं विरुद्धार्थम एव आदध्यात् इति अन्वय. When a person understands I am nirdukha, dukha rahita, nishkriya, karma rahita, akamaha, without any desires, etc. Siddha, moksha swarupa. Grihitva, grihitva means having gained the knowledge. So according to Purva Paksha, this knowledge is only paroksha. And Siddhanti says, if this is aparoksha, means dridha paroksha, then there is nothing else to be done. If it is paroksha, you have to not do anything different. That Shravanam alone, with yukti, with introvertedness, you have to understand, this is me, this is who I am. This is the sakshatkara. Then he will not do anything in other direction. This we saw already in 208. Once I have understood I am Brahma, if I do anything where I am different from Brahma, means I am Pramata, it is Prameya, I am different, then Bheda Buddhi will come. So the Shastra wants to eliminate this Bheda Buddhi. So after understanding, I am not going to do any Kriya which will strengthen Bheda Buddhi, my Bheda with Brahma. That is what Siddhanti says. Viruddhartham, anything which is contradictory to my Swarupa. Why would I do any such thing? Katham adadhyat. Adadhyat, what is the dhatu? Can you hear? What is the dhatu?
Dhatu.
Da.
दुदाएं, धारण पोषण योग, विधिलिंग, आ उपसर्ग पूर्वक दुधाएं धातु विधिलिंग, प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. निर्दुखादि विशेषणों मोक्ष एव अहम. I am moksha swarupa, Brahma swarupa, which is nirdukhadi, nirdukha, nishkriya, akama, etc. Nirguno, nishkriyo, nityo, nirvikalpo, niranjana, nirvikaro, nirakaro, nitya muktosmi, nirmala. Iti grihitva api. Grihitva means having understood, gained this knowledge. वाक्यार्थ वाक्यात वाक्यार्थ ज्ञानम न जायत एव इति न वक्तुम उचितम. And then you say, no, Vakya will not produce knowledge. You have to do something else. this is inappropriate statement of yours. Anuch. Na vaktum uchitam. Apramanya prasanga. Because there is this apramanya prasanga. What you are saying is that Shastra is apramanika. And anubhav virodhacha. Because our anubhava is there, Vakya will produce knowledge. You don't need any kriya after that. Where is the anubhava? So dashamastvamasi, 10th man. Or simple, the other example that is given is if when a person is asleep and somebody calls his name and he wakes up. The vakyat jnanam bhavati. If a person is sleeping like a fast asleep, let us say, like a log, then somebody has him. But otherwise, vakyat, he will wake up. So that is our anubhava. Tathacha, उत्पन्ने ज्ञाने तद विरुद्ध प्रतिपत्तिर न संजा घटीति इति अभिप्रायः. उत्पन्ने ज्ञाने, when the jnanam takes place, then tad viruddha pratipattir na sanja ghatiti. Sam is upasarga. Then ja ghatiti is yangluk prayoga. Ghata dhatu. Ja ghatiti is yangluk. Yangluganta. Iti abhiprayah. This is Siddhanti's statement. यदि वाक्यादेव निर्दुःखादि लक्षण मोक्ष आत्म साक्षात्कारः कथं तर्हि तदा तद विरुद्धाकार अनुभव इति पृच्छते. If vakya can produce nirdukkhadi lakshana mokshatma sakshatkara, then why there is viruddha anubhava? Tada tad viruddhakara anubhava katham? See, Purva Pakshi's questions are all very, very valid, genuine. For example, a Purusha will never get the idea, I am Pashu, I am Stri, if he is a man. So Viruddhakara Anubhava will never happen. If I am Ananda Swarupa, why do I have Anubhava, I am Dukhi? If I am Nishkriya, why do I feel I am Sakriya? If I am Akarta, why do I think I am Karta? Iti pruchhati. Sakamah sakriyo siddha iti me anubhava katham ato me viparitasya tadbhavan vaktum arhati. In the second line, ato me viparitasya. Sakamah sakriyo siddha iti me anubhava katham ato me viparitasya tadbhavan vaktum arhati. I am Sakamaha, Sakriyaha, Asiddhaha, iti me anubhavaha katham bhavati. Tasmat, ataha, bhavan me viparitasya anubhavasya tad bhavan vaktum arhati. Ato me viparitasya, so me viparitasya anubhavaha, Sakamaha, Sakriyaha, Asiddhaha, iti katham tad bhavan vaktum arhati. You deserve to tell me the answer, then why do I have viparita anubhava? So this is Purva Pakshi saying, you should tell me why do I have opposite अनुभव. अतः सकामत्वादि रूपात् विपरीतस्य में ब्रह्मभूतस्य में विपरीतस्य, me the one who is opposite of this sakama, sakriya and asiddha, opposite of that I am. Why do I have opposite anubhava? That I am sakama, sakriya, asiddha. This you have to explain. अन्य स्वभावस्य सतो मम अन्य स्वभावानुभवः कथम् इति अस्मिन् अर्थे सकृत् श्रुत वाक्यस्य पुंसः प्रश्नो घटते युज्यते. अन्य स्वभावस्य सतः, me the one who is of the other nature like Brahma Swarupa, mama anya swabhavanubhava, my experience that I am different from my swabhava, anya swabhava anubhava, katham iti asmin arthe, in this sakrit shruta vakyasya pumsah prashno ghatate. So on this person who has heard this vakya sakrit once, pumsah prashno ghatate yujyate. ननु कथम अहम निर्दुःखादि रूपः इति मुक्तत्व अनुभवार्थे इति प्रश्न विषयं विविच्य प्रतिवक्ति. How am I निर्दुःखादि रूप? How am I मुक्त? इति मुक्तत्व अनुभवार्थे इति प्रश्न विषयं, such प्रश्न विषयं विविच्य प्रतिवक्ति. सिद्धांति having done viveka of this, he puts a counter question. Means what Siddhanti is saying is, question can be asked about what is opposed to pramana. Question should not be asked about what pramana is revealing. Because what pramana is revealing, you have to accept it because it is pramana. इहैव घटते प्रश्नो न मुक्तत्वानुभूतये प्रमाणेन विरोधीयः सोत्रार्थः प्रश्नमर्हति. इहैव घटते प्रश्नो न मुक्तत्वानुभूतये प्रमाणेन विरोधीयः सोत्रार्थः प्रश्नमर्हति. इहैव प्रश्नो घटते. Prashna is valid in this, not in case of muktatva anubhuti. Means the question about what pramana has said, about that you cannot have a question. Question can be regarding why am I experiencing viparita. Yaha pramanena virodhi so atra artha prashnam arhati. So artha atra prashnam arhati. That which is pramana virodhi, in that we can have question. That which is pramana, what pramana has revealed, in that we cannot have question. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।